going on, guys? It is currently cold and snowing. Well, it's snowy. So let the car warm up a little bit. I'm gonna go take some pictures because I like taking pictures in the snow. I like taking pictures in general. Follow the Instagram. I'll put it right here-ish. Yeah. My windshield's a bit frozen right now. I gotta wait for this to thaw out before I do anything really. Gotta love not having a scraper. You would think by now, by living in Western Pennsylvania, I'd be smart and like buy an ice scraper or something. But your boy never learns really, so I just have to wait for this to thaw out still. It's a process. Slowly but surely getting there. See how the windows look. Perfect. That one's already fine. It's all about you now. Is it legal to drive with your like windshield like this? I don't really understand. How come the back windshield was all just powder and then this is all like straight up ice? Come on, man. Where's the logic in that? The parking lot I like to do pictures in. And I like, you know, to pretend I'm a drift star in, is closed right now. I didn't think they would close down that parking lot because of some snow. Because last time there was like 3 inches of snow in there and I got stuck. And now there's like 1 inch of snow in there and they closed it. Well, now I got a new game plan because that was my whole thing. I was gonna go there, take a few pictures, maybe do some skids for you guys because I didn't show you guys me doing that last time I got stuck. Well, now I'm a little bit upset about that. They had to close it. Found some new location. I found this really cool spot. I think it's someone's driveway. But like, after I'm done taking my pictures here, I'm gonna turn around and go in that person's driveway because it looks fucking sick. I'm at the spot. They've got a lake. I gotta be quick about this. Took the pictures. No one's here. So we're gonna go drive up to this parking lot and see if there's anything else that's cool up there. The signs say no trespassing, but you know, I'm just too much of a badass to like listen to that. Like, look at this, man, it looks awesome. I'm just breaking all the laws today, you know, middle of the street, under this thing, taking pictures of my car. It's, you know, it's what I do. I just like to live life from the edge, you know what I'm saying? I think actually the most likes I've gotten on pictures on my Instagram have been like side shots for some reason. And I don't know, I think side shots personally aren't like the most creative looking things. But hey, if you guys like them, I'll keep doing them. I literally just hit the biggest pothole in my life. And I'm afraid it's gonna Everything's looking good. I don't see any issues with this. Everything's still looking solid. Everything looks broken. Sometimes, you know, taking pictures of your car, you gotta go through some risks, and you gotta like just send it down some random roads. And I don't know, like, you know, there hasn't been too much like snow on the roads because I showed that little like shot. But on this road, there's a lot of snow and mud. So I was going down, and I mean, I wasn't going too fast. I was probably going 20 miles an hour, but it was all covered in snow. And I saw like one pothole, so you know, I went to avoid it, and I literally just shot down a divot of potholes across the road, and the snow shot up over my car, and I just hope everything's fine, because if not, I'm gonna be very upset, because I'm gonna have to fix that. But if my front tires like explode or like my rims get ruined, luckily I have wheel insurance. That was one thing I wanted to buy, because my dad's a BMW and he's had 4 cracked rims on his car already. And I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna play that. I'm gonna try to play it smart and get wheel insurance just in case that happens to me. I mean, my indicator light hasn't come on, so I'm assuming I'll be fine. But yeah, that wasn't very fun. That was very sketchy. I didn't like that. I just realized like how many different titles I can have for this video now. Because before, you know, you gotta be a little clickbaity, but you gotta be truthful, right? So at first I was gonna be like, like go and be illegal for the Instagram pictures. Like almost, now I can do like almost died on a end road because potholes. I gotta figure out the title. I'm really bad at titles. I'm currently like on a really smooth road actually. The front end feels fine, so I'm gonna go with the assumption I didn't bend anything in the front, like with my rims. I just hope, like, it was a really loud noise because, you know, you're hitting something and this car's very bad sound deadening. I just hope I didn't hurt anything on the front end of it. Like, I'm going to be getting a front splitter pretty soon. Well, probably when it gets warm, because I don't want to be shoveling snow in it. Just hopefully I didn't, like, scratch the hell out of my front bumper, like, on the bottom, because that would bother me just a little bit. For people that want to get like their car louder, and you know, like I just have an Axleback. I don't know if like the camera picks up the sounds or not. I was a cop. I don't want the cops to see me vlogging, but I'm not sure if you can really like hear the sound of it with the camera. But it does drone quite a bit. This, like my one video, things I hate. This car has absolutely no sound deadening. So like putting a little bit of sound into your car like makes the cabin like really loud. And I'd say you're at like 4,000 RPMs. That's definitely its like prime spot to be real loud at. And I didn't know there's a road back there, so I'm gonna try to find somewhere to turn around and go back there. But like, yeah, if you guys hear, I mean, it's not unbearable. If you're going down a mountain and you're trying to downshift, it gets pretty bad, but I mean, I still want to go louder than I am now, which will come soon. I'm gonna look at the front of the car again, make sure everything's all spick and span. Oh, you're so muddy. Yeah, I mean, everything looks fine. Not just from water. That's ice. I don't really want to get under it, but nothing here is scratched up. I really want to wash my car, but the problem is that it's like, dirty as, yeah, that's, I hate when my car's that dirty. The problem is that like, it's snowing, and I don't just want to like put ice all over my car, because that's bad for the paint, I'm pretty sure. That's the only reason I hate winter is like everything's just so dirty out here. This road is so loud. I'm guessing it's just like really salty out here or something. It's just so loud out here. I've never been down this road. It's like really cool looking. Like, I'm really liking this. Alright, so shout out to the 11 of you guys that subscribe to me. It's not by any means a lot of people, but I think it's kind of cool that you guys are supporting my channel. And shout out to like the 850 people that are following my Instagram, which all you guys should be watching my videos too and subscribing. So yeah, I mean right now my car is relatively stock still, except for like, you know, my exhaust and everything I have on this channel. I am planning to have like a big transformation of the car once it comes warmer outside and stops snowing, because I don't want to have like a lowered car with my aero on as soon as I get it and it starts shoveling up snow, because I don't want anything to break like as soon as I get it. I mean, maybe down the line it'll be a little bit different. Maybe I'll have more money, maybe I'll have more followers on here and I can afford it easier. But yeah, not right now. So mods are gonna be a little bit slow right now while it's cold. I was planning to take a lot more pictures on top of this parking garage because it's starting to snow now. It looks kind of cool. But the only thing is, like, there's so many cars up here right now that I really can't do anything about it. I also want to do another shout out to Custom Class. They do car apparel that says Custom Class and shit, you know. And I just want to give a shout out to them because, like, they were a big motivation for me to keep doing pictures and stuff because they reached out to me, gave me a little bit of a sponsorship and said, you know, like, I like your content. They like my build, I don't know. I just wanted to give them a little shout out because I haven't given them one yet in one of these videos. I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I can't really do anything else. There's too many cards up here and it's lunchtime. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.